Manthan. I am here to give you the information about our ECCE course, that is Early Childhood Care Education. This course prepares you to become the pre-primary teacher. Now this course is actually divided into main two sections. There's two terms. In the first term we start with the theory classes and we also prepare the journals. Now in the theory class you will be given the notes and you will be also given the idea about the child development. In the beginning, you will be learning about the prenatal development of the child, which is in the mother's womb, the first 9 months of its life, how it affects its future development, and we are quite particular about giving you the details about what are the cares that you have to take for the pregnant women so that the child that she gives birth to is healthy and happy child. Now, when the child is born, in the beginning, during the infancy period, and then followed by the toddler period, what are the requirements that the child will have for its all-round development, that is also covered in the course. Then we come to the pre-primary child, which is in the age group from 2.5 to 3 years to continues up to 5.5 to 6 years. Now during this period, the child is developing on all different fronts for his future well-being. So we cover physical development, which requires to know about the nutrition, the sleep, the teething period, and all this thing is covered in the prenatal or even later on during the infancy, during the toddlerhood, and continued in the pre-primary school child. Then what are the importance of motor development, then how to also foster the intellectual development of the child in the early years, during the pre-primary school period, how the child's intellectual development takes place, what are the different activities that are required, what care is required for this aspect of development. Then we also cover emotional development of the child, which is very, very important because all the children go through these various experiences in their life, and the early experiences are carried through also during the adulthood. As we know from the theory that is propounded by Freud, we know that the first 6 years of child's development affects its adulthood also. So we need to give the best fostering surrounding and the environment for the child so that the child is intellectually and emotionally well prepared to face the future of the adulthood and all the difficulties and all the other challenges that it may come across as he goes through his school years, his growing up in the college years, and later on in life also. Then we have social development of the child, which is also required to prepare the child to work in the today's environment where everything is done as a teamwork, whether it is corporates, whether it is educational field, whether it is science field, whichever field the child will decide to be in the later years, will have to have a very good strong base in the social development. Now besides this, you will also have a chapter on how to start the nursery school and what are the requirements of a good nursery school. That will cover everything about the school requirements like equipment, the staff, the teachers, and how important it is to provide all these facilities for the child's growth. We also give you a book on child development and growth in the early years, and this book is used as a textbook by all our students, and it is a very good book for even parental guidance. Now, besides this basic course in theory, we will be covering a lot of things in the journal work. Journal work is covering all the lesson plans, where you are given idea about how to plan your lessons to teach children all the required things on their syllabus, like how to teach them the alphabets, number walk, also the general knowledge which covers maybe the animals, fruits, vegetables, and the colors, shapes, and everything that the child comes across in his environment. And of course, there will be also phonetics, how to teach children phonetics. We cover also the pattern writing in the pattern book, and we also expect the teachers to be well versed with how to prepare simple charts to make teaching easier and support their teaching with the simple charts which is based on maybe alphabets or number work or animals, fruits. These subjects are given to you. All the instructions about the preparing the chart is also given to you in the course, and we will be having all the notes sent to you by email. At the same time, the important lessons like maybe the covering of the journal and the art and craft, etc., will be also sent through videos. So there will be an art and craft book prepared by you which will be covering all the simple things that you need to teach the small children for their cognitive development as well as their creativity, and also to give the exercises for dexterity. So these are the various things that we cover in our first section of the course and the journal work. Now you can also extend the course into management part. So here in the pre-primary school management course, which is an optional course attached to the main course in pre-primary teachers training, that is your ECCE course. In this course, in the school management, you will be learning about the budgeting about the school, curriculum planning of the school, then also all the materials and equipment that are required in the school, and also the promotion of the school, which is a very important part for the anyone who wants to start a new school or who wants to promote their school in a way that would be very popular as well as very famous in their own areas and get more children to their school to help them. Also, a very important thing is how to manage the staff, how to manage the parents, and what are the different requirements to make the school and brand the school as a popular school. This would be a 6 months course, and you will be given about regularly you will be sent the notes as well as you will be given the videos to cover the practical aspects of this, and also you can also opt for 2 to 3 months practical training in a school, and that would be a very useful and additional qualification that you can have when you are applying for the job, because this course is meant to be a very practical professional course which will help you not only to work as a teacher but also as a curriculum planner, also as a manager, also as an entrepreneur who would like to start their own school, and also work as an educational consultant in the schools, and writing children's books and illustrating them also. So it has got a varied application, and it will be a very interesting course to become a teacher, as well as you can also say that it will be very helpful guide to the parents and all the others who are concerned about the child care. So you will get a full info on our website, which is specially devoted to ECCE, and Manthan's website, as you know, is www.manthanforpsychotherapy.com. So go through the website for further details. Please do not hesitate to contact us on the given landline numbers between 11 and 5, and we'll be very happy to have you as our candidate. So welcome by Manthan, and we look forward to meeting you.